Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to record a customer refund in QuickBooks. Recording a customer refund ensures that your income and receivables stay accurate. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The first is doing this on QuickBooks Online. What you got to do is go to new transaction and then just click the plus new and then refund receipts. Now you're going to choose the customer receiving the refunds. Select the payment method, could be bank, cash, or credit card, and then enter the same item or service as the original sales. And once you're done, save and close. Now to do this on QuickBooks desktop version, you want to go to customers. So on QuickBooks dashboard, go to customers and then create credit memos or refunds. Now choose the name and enter the refunded item. Either give a refund or apply to future invoices or just retain as credits. Once you're done, save transaction. A pro tip is to always link the refunds to the original sales for accurate records, as well as for credit card refunds. You want to ensure that your merchant service processes it correctly. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.